Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is 8/18/2015. We've made a video so far every day this week, and we have just really done fabulous. Today was just a stellar day. Let me first go over bonds, a market that we just couldn't get any trades on. As I was going over the trades in the live trading room with everyone, this was a very nice short trade right here. But unfortunately, it occurred at 7:15 this morning. Couldn't get it, and in fact, if we were in it, we would have been done. This was a $650 move on bonds. Then, after the move down, we had this retracement, which we could have taken. You'll notice this is at 8:30, but it's a multi-candle retracement, and actually, I kind of obliterated it, but I'm going to show you. The candle actually breaks the modified 15 to the upside. So the only potential trade is to chase bonds down here. This is a very risky setup on a continuation trade. Now you do have the quants. In fact, you only have one quant line. The other one kicks in right away. Very, 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 very risky trade. And then after that, there was nothing to trade. Now, crude oil. We had this move here, the move up, the retracement. We took it right off the point of control, and I closed the trade right at the value area high. Now the trade went 11. I closed the trade at +9. That gave us a contract off at +5 and 2 off at +9. I really monetized this trade perfectly by making the assumption that the value area high was not going to work. And this is what I'm teaching everyone in the mentorship. See this double high right here? And this is really a second retest of the value area high. And that is, it's a little bit of a rugged place to go short, because you're into an unbroken trend line, but you see it goes all the way down to here. Now, this is the kind of moves we're going to start to do. We're going to really start to work on trading a lot more market structure with another move here. A move to the downside. This is almost a 100% retracement, giving you a double top. Now this candle wick here does not break the high of this candle. This candle engulfs this candle, and you have yourself a successful short trade. So we have to watch these. It's going to take a little bit of time. We're used to trend trading, but these double tops, or if you want to call these based on Elliott wave, almost a 100% retracement in the trend, and the continuation on an engulfing candle, are very, very nice trades. But we got this move down and then up for 11 ticks. Now, if you go to the right edge, I took the trade out right at the value area high of +6, which really did monetize it well, but the trade did break through and go for 15. So we had two really, really nice winners on crude. Both perfect retracement trades and continuation trades. Then the ES it looks like a crowded chart, but it really isn't. This is the second trade I took, and we had a move up here. I'm sorry. retracement here. If we go over to the right edge, you're going to see that this is sitting. It's hard to see because I can't get it exactly right, but it's sitting right on top of the value area high. It's a perfect move to the upside with 2 quant lines. And the trade failed. Just collapsed for -5 ticks. That was the first loser I've had in a long time. Then we had the move down, up, retracement for 5 ticks or 1.25. A little riskier because the 15 hadn't crossed the 50, even though it's pushing down hard. And we had this beautiful move to the upside, retracement right to dual support of the 15 and the 50. And trade gave us a lot of heat and actually created a little double bottom here because it came back 6, and that's mega heat. But then the trade flew for just under 3 points, 11 ticks. So we had 4 winners and 1 loser. And let's see how the market's done. Really no tradable setup here at all. This is a trade right into the value area low, and we're not going to take that trade. So here's how we close the day. If I could find out where I typed it all out, would be very, very helpful. Here we go. Now, this was yesterday. Oh, man. All right, it can't be on this chart then. Let me find out where I typed it. Here we go. We had 5 trades. We had 4 winners and 1 loser. On the ES +5, we did 2 contracts out at +3, 1 contract at +4, 1 contract gave us no ticks. I didn't close the trade. The runner just came right back to break even and stopped out. And we had 11 ticks. I took 2 contracts at 3 and 2 contracts at 4 ticks. We just add the S there. Then we had the -5, which is 4 contracts times 5 ticks. That was a 20 tick loss on that. Then crude, we had 1 contract that went 11, 1 contract off at 5, 2 contracts off at 9 ticks. Then the 15 tick, we had 1 contract off at 5 and 2 contracts off at 6. And that monetized that really actually quite well. I'm sorry, I'm just doing fixing these little grammatical changes here. So we wound up with a net ticks at 37, net equity of 412.50. Auto Trader has no trades today so far. In our last 4 sessions, I have 13 winners, 1 5-tick loser that I got today, and 1 scratch loser of 2 ticks on crude oil. So if you let that scratch loser go, in the last 14 trades, we have 13 winners and 1 loser. Now, I don't know of any system that provides you with the kind of power that right line trading does. Now, for some reason, I think I just erased all of the performance. I don't know how I did it, I don't see it anymore, but I'll worry about that later. So we had 13 winners and 1 loser. Up almost $2,000 in 4 trading sessions. And I really encourage you to come into the room. If you're one of those traders who's bleeding money from your account, if you're in one of those educational training rooms where they just retrospectively tell you where you should have gone long or you should have gone short, if the guru who sold you the software doesn't trade his software every single day, if the trading entries are nebulous and ill-defined, if everyone's still searching for a solution in the trading program that you're on, it's time to make a move. 13 winners and 1 loser, 2,000 in equity in 4 trading sessions. I don't know how you can turn your back on that or argue with the validity of our trading system. It is really outstanding, and I don't know of any that can equal our performance or equal the precision with which we trade with. A lot of people on mentorship, and they are learning the system. They are learning price action trading. They're learning how to interpret the markets, and they're really coming on strong. So sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a contact us page, our daily net equity for the auto traders, a link to our free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. Just going to show you our website really quickly because we redesigned it. Just made it a little more simpler. Here's the live trading room, free trial. Here's the mentorship session. You can sign up for our weekly quiz. I'm going to give you a price action market structure entry, and you'll get a detailed answer. Here are our trading room results. You can see how few losers we've taken in the last 4 sessions. We've pushed our net equity for the month up to 2372.50. I hope to push that to 5,000. We have an options alert newsletter. Our options are doing outstanding. And we base our options trading on Right Line Trading software. If you really want to learn how to trade options, give us a call. I will show you a methodology that is really awesome. And then here are our auto trader results. So we've kind of simplified the website. Here's our mentorship program. Spend 8 weeks with me in which I teach you how to trade price action, market structure with indicator confirmation. So again, if you're bleeding money, it's time to stop. So listen, we look forward to seeing everybody in the live trading. We are the only trading room that makes a video like this almost every single day. We want to show you the trades we take. We don't want to hide them. And we want to show you the prospective nature of our calls, not the retrospective nature. Yes, you learn a lot. This is an educational room, but primarily this is a signal room. This is a live trading room. And if you're caught in one of those educational rooms, you're going to spin your wheels and go nowhere. So listen, everyone, have a wonderful afternoon, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room. Have a great day.